A short video here of our newest fry, and it's called the Wavy Fry. So we got our potato, russet potato. We're going to nip the ends off on both ends, put them in our potato holder. Then we're going to slip that down this little chute here. All right, and we're going to flip this machine on. We're going to make wavy fries. Oops, there's one getting away from us. Okay, now we're going to take it and we're going to flip our end to end here, and we're going to do this other potato right here. These have deep grooves in them, so when you're dipping these in your sauce, you're getting a lot of sauce there. Oh yeah. You may have seen the wavy French fries, but this is a whole new chip here. We think it's just a cat's meow. Okay, that's a little demonstration here. And here's what they look like. All cut up. Whoop, I'm hiding my fries here. And this is what they look like when we fry them up. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Did you get that falling over?